how to change audio language in YouTube videos. So if you want to change audio language in your YouTube videos, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your YouTube application, and here you can simply search for any video. For example, I'll just simply go with the video. Now once you're on your video, you need to just go with settings, which is on the top right of your video. Once you're on your settings, if you want to change your audio language, you just need simply go with more, and under more you will have your audio language. But in some cases, if the video doesn't have the option to change the audio language, then it means that the creator has not said that yet. Like for example, if you go with MrBeast video, then on the top right, if you go with your settings, then you will have audio track option right here, because the creator of this video has uploaded all of the audio tracks. But if you don't have an audio track, it means that the creator has not uploaded the video with the audio track. So that's how you can change the audio track or audio language. You can go with settings, which is on the top right, and then tap on audio track and go with any other language, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.